Hello everyone, I'm Letícia and this is Jornada do Estudante Independente. And today I'm gonna share with you a trend of studies organization. I think so. I am trying to organize myself because I have a lot to do. And as you see, I told you before, my life turned upside down last month, and I started a new graduations. I am doing a lot of courses. I am coursing a lot of courses, and I'm doing a lot of things. First of all, I'd like to talk to you about this stuff. To make a lot of things, to doing a lot of things during this quarantine time, and it was the way that I decided to handle with this period of my life. So this is a hard year for all the world, and I think that every person have a different way to handle with the things. So I decided this way I could try to do many things that I'd like to do. So I'm trying to do a lot of things because I feel good this way. If you don't feel good, if this video doesn't help you, that's okay. No pressure. I think that this channel helps a lot of people, and I really love this. But if you don't feel comfortable to see another person doing a lot of things during this quarantine time, during this pandemic time, that's okay. Just try to do what you can do now, or what you want to do now. So that was what I had to talk to you now, to say to you now. So to start my video, I decided to share with you the state of my table work now, my setup now, and I will show you. Oh my goodness, so terrible. Yeah, we have a pressure here, we have a lot of books here. I have a lot of notebooks and post-its, and I'm gonna try to share with you the way that I will use to organize this table, organize my studies, my university studies, my language studies. As you know, I am trying to learn English and Spanish, and I need to organize myself. So let's organize, or let's try to organize with me, because I don't know if I will be able to organize all the things that I have to do, but I will try. So let's do it. Well, we're gonna start with the university studies, and I have a lot to do because I started my graduation. I think that 1.5 months ago, and I did not organize nothing. So I have a notebook, but there's nothing here, and I just have some notes that I take in this notebook. That is the older one, and there are randomic notes about all the subjects that I have. So I have to pass the subjects from here to here, and I'm gonna try to organize that. As you see, I have a post-it here, a big post-it. It's the works of the university that I have to do, and I will try to make the following. I will try to put in the all different colors of post-it for every activity that I have to do. For example, the green post-it is for my university stuffs, all that I have to do in the university. And the pink post-it is for my English courses online, and the yellow post-its it's for my YouTube organization. So I will try to do this way, but let's see if it will work. Okay, so let's do it. Well, I don't have big ones like the green post-it, but I have yellow post-it and I have pink post-it. The green one I will use for my university activities. The yellow one I use for my English courses and the studies about Spanish. And the pink one I will use for YouTube activities. So, okay. I have these stickers, colorful stickers, and I will use to pass the subjects from my older notebook to my new notebook. So I need to make new notes about the subjects of my university, and I will use these colorful stickers to dissect the text and to know where are the subjects that I need to find out in the right order. So, and I have this container I didn't use before, but I'm gonna use this container for my accessories. I don't know how can I say that. If you know, if it's right, say accessories, comment below. So I have this little container. It's it's like a organized box. I think that it's called organized box, and I will organize my accessories here. So I'm gonna use to put the things that I have to put, and my things will be organized. I'm sorry, I'm terrible today. I don't know. So I will put here next to my notebook, so it look like much better my study table. And this is the first step: organize, cleaning. And this is a little bag where I put my pens and my pencils. I don't know how I can say in English this, but I think that looked like much better. So in the side I put all my university stuff, my notebooks. This is the new one, the old one. This is my planner. I already showed you before, but it's how I'm trying to organize myself. It's very good. I discovered, I find out that if you put in the paper all the things that you have to do, it's much more easy to check out, to do all the things that you have to do during the day. So this is my planner. This is my notebook. I am writing stuff for the YouTube channel. And now I will do what I said that today I'm terrible, sorry. So now I'm gonna use my post-its, and I gonna sticker all the post-its by color, and every post-it will have one activity that I have to do, and I will sorry, I'm terrible today, and I will put in the wall and to follow everything that I have to do. So this is how look like this organization. It's not all the things that I have to do during this week. It's not my all my activities, but it's more like a example. Wow, I feel very better now to study, to work. It's much more I think that's much more inspiring to work in an organized place, and I will keep on sharing with you my organizing tips and what I am learning about being an organized person. So as I told you before, I'm not organizing people, and if you have a tip for me or for all the subscribers, you just comment below what the the most hopeful tip that improve your studies, that improve your routine, daily routine, and I will continue studying. As I told you, I have to pass my notes from the old notebook to my new notebook, and one more time I have to say that I didn't write anything that I am saying here. I'm talking to you because I feel, I don't know, I feel more dynamic this way, and I hope you don't pay attention on my grammatical mistakes, because I know that I have a lot of grammatical mistakes, but I hope to inspire you. This is not a video about learning grammatical rules. Actually, this is not a channel for learning grammatical rules. This is just a channel to share my journey in the studies, studying English, studying Spanish, and now studying in the university. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for all the comments. You were so amazing. I feel very lucky because I have so awesome subscribers. So thank you a lot. Don't forget that I have a Instagram account that is J Estudante Independente. I hope you understand. It's in the box below the video. Okay, see you next, guys. I love you, and bye.